Well, good evening. Middle of the week. It's starting to snow right now, and look what I've got going here. This pit's getting hot. This is going to be fun. Yeah! But that's all right. That's all right. This thing's nice and hot down here. It's got a decent bed of coals. I'm going to be doing tri-tip steaks. They won't take very long, and that's a good thing, because I need to get this done before it gets even worse. So stick around, okay? Look at the snow coming down. Alright, I just put these on. And whoa, I almost slipped. Ice down here. Yeah, these are going good even though it's being snowed on. It's not stopping me. Oh, look at Zoe. Zoe sure likes it. How you doing, girl? Yeah? You like the snow, don't you? Yeah, yeah. You're Siberian lab. You're half lab, you're half husky. You like this. Anyway, yeah, this is going very nice. It's cooking good. This thing's hot, so I had to take my coat off. It's 24 degrees out, and this thing's keeping me warm, so I can't complain too much. I'm just gonna kick back and do this grill, do this cook. So I'll see you guys back here in a little while, okay? Stick around. All right, I just flipped these. They're looking really good. Woo, this thing's hot. Good thing too, because it's snowing. Smells really good too. Can't wait to sink my teeth into one of these. I want this one right here. That one. That one's got my name on it. It's from the center. It's most tender. At least usually they are, but cut up, probably not so much. Anyway. Good stuff. Can't wait to eat some of this. So, I'll see you guys there in a little bit. Alright, here we go. I have now pulled these. They came out perfect. Beautifully pink. Medium, just how I like it. And this is my pitmaster privilege right here. Look at that. Mm-hmm. Wow. All right. I love this. All right. I'm going to tell my family they don't want any of this. This doesn't taste very good. Thanks for watching. Have a good night. Stay safe out there.